subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Realme launched its new C series phone in India called Realme C67 with 5G support. Now let's have a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Realme C67 5G features a tall 6.72-inch Full HD Plus display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate and up to 680 nits of peak brightness support. The phone comes powered by MediaTek Dimensity 6100 Plus chipset, paired with Mali G57MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 4 or 6 GB of LPDDR4X RAM that can be extended up to another 6 GB by using internal storage, and it has 128 GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 2 TB via dedicated microSD card slot. As per the optics, the Realme C67 5G sports a dual-camera setup under circular ring at the top left corner, that includes a 50-megapixel main camera, with f1.8 aperture, and a 2-megapixel portrait lens, with f2.4 aperture. For selfies it has 8-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center, with f2.1 aperture. The device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 33 watts SuperVOOC fast charging support, and it runs on Android 13 out of the box, with Realme UI 4.0 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP54 certified for dust and splash resistance. And it also comes with Mini Capsule 2.0 feature similar to Apple's Dynamic Island-like feature. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 165.7 by 76 by 7.89mm, and it weighs around 190 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Realme C67 5G has been priced in India for 4GB plus 128GB storage variant at 13,999 Indian rupees, while the 6GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at 14,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in Sunny Oasis and dark purple color options. So, what do you guys think of this Realme C67 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below. And stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.